It is not present. It is not present in animal cell. So vacuole, we talk about vacuole. Vacuole are present in animal cell. They are very small, or you can say they are temporary. And vacuoles in plant cell are large and permanent. You can say 90% of the cell space is occupied by vacuole. So that are very large. Okay. So anyone do know the name of membrane of vacuole? What is the name of membrane which is surrounding vacuole?
I think tonoplast.
Excellent. You remembered. Very good. So the name of membrane which is surrounding the vacuole is tonoplast. Please don't forget it. This might come. So the name is tonoplast. So you know the difference between animal cell and plant cell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just some fact which you should know, which is the smallest cellular organelle. Please write it if you don't know with me. Smallest cellular organelle.
Ma'am, ribosome.
You are correct. Ribosome is the smallest cellular organelle which is found both in eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. It is not that it is present in eukaryotic, it is also present in prokaryotic cell. Okay. So what do you call virus? Virus is prokaryotic or eukaryotic?
Ma'am, I think it's prokaryotic.
Viruses, please pay attention because see the virus scare is going on right now. So you should know about virus. Virus are neither prokaryotic nor eukaryotic. They are molecular organisms. Okay, so they are neither prokaryotic nor eukaryotic, but they are made up of we can say them molecular organism. अब मैं कुछ ऑर्गेनल्स के नाम बताऊंगी. You need to tell me, are they single membrane bond or double membrane bond? Mitochondria. Is it single membrane bond or double membrane bond organelle?
Ma'am,
It is double membrane bond organelle. अभी मैं जब डिस्कस कर रही थी क्रिस्टाई, आई टोल्ड यू आउटर मेम्ब्रेन and inner membrane. So there are two membranes. So it is double membrane bond organelle. Okay. What about Golgi apparatus?
Ma'am, is it single?
You are correct. Golgi apparatus is single membrane bond organelle. Okay. So now tell me plastid.
Ma'am, double.
You are correct. Plastid is double membrane bond organelle. Okay. What about endoplasmic reticulum?
Ma'am, is it double?
No. Endoplasmic reticulum is a single membrane bond organelle. It is having only one membrane. Vacuole,
Ma'am, double.
अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया, the name of membrane is tonoplast. Vacuole has only one membrane, and what is the name of that membrane? It is
Two.
tonoplast. It is single membrane bond organelle. प्लास्टिड्स तो हमने ले लिया, अब क्लोरोप्लास्ट.
Ma'am, single.
Single.
नो, क्लोरोप्लास्ट. प्लास्टिड्स जैसे ही हैं. क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर डबल membrane bond organelle. What about nucleus?
Ma'am, double.
Double. Nucleus is having nuclear membrane. There are two membranes. Envelope. They are making envelope, that is double membrane bond organelle. Okay. What about lysosome?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Lysosome is single membrane. What about ribosomes?
Ma'am, is it single?
Ribosomes are without membrane. They do not have any membrane. Ribosomes do not have membrane. I told you they are present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell both. Prokaryotic, when we are talking about difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic, then we learn that prokaryotic have non-membrane bond organelles. Membrane bond organelles are absent. We have learned in prokaryotic, and I told you ribosomes are present in prokaryotes and eukaryote both. So can I give you one? Match the column. Are you ready now? What do you say?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So every one of has you have to attempt that match the column, and I will be discussing the answers after 5 minutes.
Ma'am, multicellular organism is plants.
Just complete it, then we will discuss.
Oh,
Ma'am, below plants, ma'am, what is that written after cell?
Speak again, Divyansh.
Ma'am, below plants, ma'am, what is that written after
Cell,
cell?
sap.
Okay, ma'am.
If completed, do tell.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Divyansh, can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अच्छा बताओ multicellular organism, what you have done?
Ma'am, multicellular organisms have done plants.
Speak loudly.
Ma'am, multicellular organisms have done plants.
Plants. It is correct. Okay. So Leona, what you have written for mitochondria, because it is little bit tricky, I should say.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, Divyansh.
Ma'am, lipids.
No, that is incorrect. Anyone else who want to attempt?
And outer permeable membrane.
Outer permeable membrane. That is correct. Very good. So plasma membrane, that is third one.
CO2.
Speak again.
And CO2.
No. Plasma membrane is lipids.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next go to central vacuole.
Ma'am, central vacuole, is it cell sap?
Correct. It is cell sap.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what was mitochondria one?
Mitochondria is outer permeable membrane.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then chloroplast.
Ma'am, plants.
Plants.
Carbon dioxide. Chloroplast is the present only in plant cell and it does the absorption of sunlight and carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, with the help of carbon dioxide and water, it is preparing food.
So, ma'am, here there is carbon dioxide also in plants.
So go for chloroplast, go for carbon dioxide because multicellular organism we have taken it as plants. So
okay.
Yes,
plants
ma'am.
is already taken up.
Ma'am, lysosomes is digestive
Ma'am,
enzyme.
digestive enzyme.
Yes. Lysosome is digestive enzymes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all about our science. So do well, I should say. Revise all the things which are done in our classes. So that will be like, will give you a quick recap. And now I am disconnecting and connecting for algebraic identities, the leftover part of polynomial.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.